kind of touched on it. But yeah, can you expand a bit more?
Yeah. So what I kind of see is that they quite often hear it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle change. And that is true, but a lifestyle change, again, you've got to make sure it's not a belief, because a belief will keep you consistent, and consistency is important, but it needs to be a lifestyle change that's personalised for you, not for somebody else, and not, it can really is most powerful when it's intrinsically based on your goals, based on where you want to get to, and based on the person you want to identify as and become. So when you make that 100% decision that you're going to be a certain way, you've seen what works for you and what doesn't, and you make a plan, that's when it becomes a lifestyle and no longer a diet, because it's yours. You take ownership, and it's not someone else's diet, someone else's plan, someone else's meals. It's what works for you, designed to be built into your own life, executed, and then you live it, and that's when it becomes a lifestyle. And that works well. It works especially well if you've got intrinsic motivators, things inside you. So not to get the six pack or the ab crack or the latest Instagram body fad, so you can take lots of pictures. Hey, hello, here I am, six pack selfie. But actually, if it aligns with your goals of wanting to do something that you're really passionate about, that really matters to you, and when it aligns with that, it becomes incredibly powerful. Meaning that a lot of the willpower and the struggles, you will be able to ride through those, because there's absolutely no doubt about it. There will be times when you eat poorly. It happens. And there will be times when you go on holiday on the all-inclusive and there's so many options, you are perplexed but happy to eat the cake. And you've got to be like that. You've got to enjoy life. You can't restrict to the point where, unfortunately, there's obviously an increase in eating disorders and such things as clean eating, and again the beliefs where they literally flood the bank of the river with rigidity. You can't eat anything unless it's this, and that's healthy. And unfortunately, social media is really difficult with that, because it creates really strong camps of people with really strong beliefs, and then they're surrounded and continually shown that this is the right way, look how we do it, look how healthy we are. And it just leads to difficulty for a lot of people, which is why I'll always say you need to be a student of your own nutrition, not a follower, and find out what works for you, implement it, and build and design your own life. We're all bespoke, we've all got our own microbiome, we've all got our own enzyme makeup, we've all got our own genetics, we've got different epigenetic expression. What works for you doesn't work for other people. What you're intolerant to, other people thrive on. And it's amazing. We are incredibly complex, but we're not actually that complex if you experiment and find what works for you.